Alright, so we moved this up with that up here. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to park it over there. But the glow plug relay don't work. So what you're going to have to do is keys on, right?
Yeah. I left it on.
Okay, I'm going to go and use this to jump the thing. And then I'm going to holler at you and tell you to try to start it because it should fire right up. You'll have to probably pump the gas though. But I'm going to use these to jump the Noid. Alright, try to fire it up. See, it's got that loppy idle. Alright, go ahead and hop out.
Jay's the emergency brakes on.
Okay, good. I'll just drive over the scotches.
I'll go get it. Ready?
Yep.
You ready?
Yep, go.
Gone. Better get the monkey.
I'm just gonna put you down.